Good morning to everyone. In chemical engineering thermodynamics, we are discussing uh, second law of thermodynamics. Then after we discuss the Carnot cycle and Carnot heat engines with related to temperature scales. Okay. Now, so in today's lecture we are going to discuss about the Celsius inequality. Celsius inequality क्या है and how it related in second law of thermodynamics. Okay, so let us see the Celsius inequality. The Carnot principle states that reversible heat engine is more efficient than a irreversible engine. Okay, we know that from the Carnot principle is said that the reversible heat engines is a more efficient compared to the irreversible. So the efficiency of reversible engine is given by equation 4.17. So 4.17 equation number is that the efficiency E is given by 1 minus T2 upon T1. Okay, from Carnot cycle uh, theorem. So it is given by eta is equal to 1 upon T2 minus 1 minus T2 upon T1 equal to T1 minus T2 upon T1. Now consider an irreversible engine operating between same thermal reservoir. Let dq1 be the heat absorbed and dq2 be the heat rejected by the engine. Now consider irreversible heat engine which operating between same thermal reservoirs like a dq1 and dq2, where dq1 is heat absorbed and dq2 is heat reject. Okay, by the heat engine. The efficiency of engine is given by n dq1 minus dq2 upon dq1. Now if the divide this equation by dq1, so that is 1 minus dq2 upon dq1. Then Carnot principle is said that 1 minus dq2 upon dq1 is less than 1 minus t2 upon t1. So if inequality will be changed, so 1 will be cancelled. That means dq1 dq2 upon dq1 minus is less than minus t2 upon t1. Now if we are removing the inequality, if we removing less than, so exactly what happened कि जे नेगेटिव साइन रिमूव करशुं तो શું થશે dq1 upon t1 minus dq2 upon t2, ઓકે, ઇઝ લેસ ધેન 0. શું કર્યું છે અહીંયા? લેસ ધેનની આ બાજુ ટર્મ લઈ આવ્યા છે એટલે. Now adopting the sign conversion, that is the heat rejected dqt is negative. જે નેગેટિવ સાઇન ડિફાઇન કરે છે, બરાબર, dq2ની એ શું છે? હીટ રિજેક્ટ કરે છે, બરાબર. The preceding relation gives by this equation dq1 upon t1 plus dq2 upon t2 is less than 0. That means the irreversible cyclic operation can be divided into the number of heat engine cycle which is involving infinitesimally small heat interaction, and which as shown in figure 4.6 for the case of reversible cyclic operation. For each such cycle, it is possible to write equation analogies 4.39 to that we find the result, that is integration to dq by t is less than 0, where T is the temperature of thermal reservoir, and combination of equation 4.22 for reversible cycle operation with equation 4.40, and for the irreversible equation processes, it should be written as integrating from dq by t is less than or equal to 0, which is known as the Celsius inequality. It states that in a cyclic operation, the sum of dq by t terms around a complete cycle is less than or equal to 0, depending on whether the process is irreversible or reversible. ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કર્યું છે અને રાઉન્ડ કર્યું છે. That means the complete cyclic operation. Okay, Celsius inequality says that it states that in a cyclic operation the sum of dq by t around complete cycle, okay, that means complete cycle, is less than or equal to 0, depending upon the process that is reversible or irreversible. Now next term is that mathematical statement of second law of thermodynamics. Mathematical statement. So mathematical statement શું હતું second law of thermodynamics નું? So second law of thermodynamics is said that it is impossible to transfer a reaction. Okay, that means કે એવી કોઈ પણ રિએક્શન છે કે જે આપમેળે થતી નથી. ટોટલ એન્ટ્રોપી ઓફ સિસ્ટમ will be constant. So based on the statement, the mathematical statement, the for complete the entropy of an isolated system is never can be decreased over a time, or we can, in simple words, it said that it is impossible to construct a device where energy is transferred from automatically from hotter body to colder body. એટલે કે ઓટોમેટિકલી હીટ જે હોય છે એ ક્યાંથી ક્યાં ટ્રાન્સફર થતી નથી. હીટ ઇઝ નોટ ટ્રાન્સફર ફ્રોમ હાયર સરફેસ ટુ લોઅર સરફેસ, બરાબર. એટલે કે હીટ છે એ ડાયરેક્ટલી ફ્લો થતી નથી કોલ્ડ બોડીથી હોટ બોડી તરફ. Entropy is a property of the system that determines the direction of change. In this section, we show that all the spontaneous processes are accompanied by increase in entropy. So for reversible process, entropy doesn't change. Entropy is the system property of system. Okay, so that is determined by the direction of change. In this section, we show that spontaneous processes are accompanied by the increase in entropy. Now, first let us consider the entropy change in a closed adiabatic system. Adiabatic system, that means temperature remain constant during the process. Okay, also without heat and mass, the process is continued. So the adiabatic process, okay, is occurs when the heat and mass without transfer the process is occurs. Now from the reference figure 4.8, the path AB may be treated as an irreversible process. AB જે છે એ શું છે? Irreversible process. That is the curve AB is the pressure volume relationship of spontaneous process occurs in a closed system for which there is a no heat interaction. Okay, this one is pressure volume system, and spontaneous process increase of entropy. The work associated with process WAB, બરાબર. Now work associated with WAB, let the system may be brought back into the original condition along the reversible path BA. હવે રિવર્સિબલ પાથ છે એ શું છે BA છે. તો એના માટે જોઈએ તો શું થાય છે, the BA let QBA and WB the heat and work associated with this process. તો રિવર્સિબલ પ્રોસેસ માટેનું હીટ અને વર્ક શું થાય, QBA એન્ડ WBA. In the combination of these two processes, the system has undergone a cycle of change so that overall energy entropy change must be zero. એટલે સિસ્ટમ એક તો ક્લોઝ સિસ્ટમ છે અને કઈ રેન્જમાં થાય છે, એટલે સાયક્લિક ચેન્જમાં થાય છે, બરાબર. તો ઓવરઓલ ચેન્જ જે થશે, બરાબર, એન્ટ્રોપીનો એ કેટલો હશે, 0. સો એન્ટ્રોપી ચેન્જ નથી થતી, દેટ મીન્સ ઇન્ટરનલ એનર્જી પણ ચેન્જ થવાની નથી, એટલે કે ઇન્ટરનલ એનર્જી ડેલ્ટા યુ ઓલ્સો 0. સો ધ ફર્સ્ટ લો ઓફ થર્મોડાયનેમિક્સ ડિમાન્ડ દેટ net heat interaction must be equal to the net work interaction that. So it equal to given by this equation QBA equal to WAB plus WBA, where QBA were positive. Okay, QBA છે એ શું છે, positive. The above equation would mean that system receives heat and converts it complete to work. એનો મતલબ એવું નથી થયું કે આ સિસ્ટમ છે એ શું કરે છે, વર્ક હીટ રિસીવ કરે છે અને વર્કમાં કન્વર્ટ કરે છે, which would be a violation of second law of thermodynamics. The second law of thermodynamics therefore requires that QBA, which is either negative or 0, and QBA and the net work cannot be 0. So there would be the correspond a reversible cyclic process, but the cycle is irreversible. Therefore QBA is negative, and then the entropy should be changed from delta S BA for reversible step, and it can be calculated by the ratio of heat transfer to the temperature. So it is given by the ratio of heat transfer temperature is SBA is less than 0, or process BA is accompanied by the decrease in entropy. So the entropy change for the cycle as well as a whole is 0. Okay, then entropy change for the cycle, complete cycle, એ શું થશે, 0, કારણ કે ક્લોઝ સિસ્ટમ છે અને સાયક્લિક પ્રોસેસ છે. સો એન્ટ્રોપી ચેન્જ થશે નહીં અને એટલે શું થશે, 0. So therefore entropy change along with path AB must be positive. એટલે કે AB જે છે એ શું થવો પડે, પોઝિટિવ થવો પડે. પરંતુ SBA ની અંદર શું થશે, રિવર્સિબલ પ્રોસેસ છે, બરાબર, તો એની અંદર એન્ટ્રોપી ચેન્જ થશે, એટલે SBA શું આવશે, નેગેટિવ 0, અને ડેલ્ટા SAB એ શું આવશે, ગ્રેટર દેન 0. Now, for the spontaneous process occurs, closed adiabatic system is accompanied in an increase in entropy. For reversible process occur in closed adiabatic system, then entropy change must be 0. Therefore, heat is no exchange. An isolated system is closed adiabatic system. Okay, so that's why heat is not change. So the heat change, therefore we can conclude that the entropy change of isolated system in any process must be equal to or greater than the 0. Isolated system માટે શું થશે, delta S ની value always greater than or equal to 0. As pointed out in a chapter 1, that means introduction, isolated system can be treated as a one made up of the system and its surrounding, બરાબર. total entropy શું થાય, system plus surrounding. Therefore equation is written as a delta S system plus delta S surrounding is always greater than or equal to 0. So the total entropy of the system can be written as the validity of the above equation can be verified process in terms of amount of heat Q is transferred from a heat sources at a temperature T1 to heat shrink at T2. T1 is a heat source છે અને T2 શું છે heat shrink કરે છે જ્યાં heat absorb થાય છે. So the change in entropy of the source is given by minus QT1 and that of the heat sink is Q by T2. The entropy change of the total heat source can be sink up to given following result. So delta S total is equal to minus Q by T1 plus Q by T2 is equal to Q into T1 minus T2 upon T1 T2. And also remember that delta S total is always greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so these are the mathematical statement of the second law of thermodynamics. Delta S total, okay, is always must be greater than or equal to 0. Entropy of an isolated system is never decreased with time. Okay, so that is delta S is for delta S total is greater than or equal to 0.